You might have heard that Fitbit is still in business, and yes, they are releasing new products. It's been a good year since they bought Pebble, and let's see what they've done with the technology. This is the new Fitbit Versa. I like to pronounce it the Fitbit Versa. Sounds better. Anyway, Fitbit Versa. So it's their new smartwatch. It is a full smartwatch. Health features, smart features, tells time, tracks your step, heart rate, flights of stairs, water resistant, and this also does Apple Pay. They're calling it Fitbit Pay, but it works everywhere the Apple Pay does. And let's unbox it. So the packaging kind of broke it when they shoved it into this box right here. This thing got pressed and it was partially unopened. So we'll just unbox it, and yeah. So there's the nice packaging, and there we go. All right, nice. So this is their cloth band, and I'm unboxing this courtesy of my friend Tommy. He wanted a new fitness watch, and he was willing to wait a few hours to play with his new device so I can unbox it. So shout out to Tommy. Thanks. So here it is. So it's a cloth band, really soft. Liking the color so far. It does have the nice little saran wrap on it, so we can take that off. If we can get off, there we go. So it's a little concave, not too bad, and interesting. I swear I didn't press a button, but it already turned on. Nice little Fitbit logo there, so I'll set that aside. To start, download app. Okay, we'll do that later. But the screen's pretty bright. The bezel's not too bad. The camera can pick this up. You can see that the bezel's thicker on the bottom and not the same thickness on the top. So there's 3 different thicknesses on the bezel. Not too crazy about that. Not sure why they did that, but that's all right. But as far as the back, yeah, normal heart rate sensor, charging port, and it doesn't stick out too much, which I like. It's nice and flat. So let's see what else they gave us. Booklet, yep. Okay. And this comes with extra bands, which I like. So it looks like this is the small medium band. There's the large band that you can switch it out for. And it comes with just the regular black silicone band. And it does the quick release. It's not the full-on standard bands, so it looks like it's a little proprietary, but I'm sure you'll be able to order these online, Amazon, whatnot, for cheaper than, they're usually about 15 bucks. And it looks like we also get the charging cradle. And from other specs I've read, it's not the clamshell like the last one I owned, which was the Fitbit Blaze. It's just gonna sink right in there. So we'll take this off, show you how it sits in there. And I'm hoping that it's a little magnetic. Oh, actually, wait. No, it isn't. So we'll take that off. It looks like you pinch it, so it just clamps in. And I'll just plug that in. So not too bad. So it's not going to come out if you bump it off the table, but it's not difficult. And that's it. Safety instructions, and yeah, so they no longer include the USB dongle, which is kind of a bummer, but most everything has Bluetooth. But that's it. So you get the watch, the charger, small band, large band, and it comes with 2 bands. And then again, this is the my friend Tommy wanted the premium version, so this is the one that comes with Apple Pay. And there you go, the Fitbit Versa. And I'll do a full review in a week or 2 and let you know what our thoughts are, and we'll interview Tommy and see what he thinks of the watch.